Hey everyone, what's up? It's Andrew. We've got a really exciting feature for dashboards. We now can view comparison percentages on any of our widgets. It's super exciting and we can do it on any of our sub accounts. Let me show you how it works. Here we are in one of our sub accounts on our dashboard. And now you can see we've got all of these different widgets showing things like contacts, counts, opportunity values, conversion rates, and things like that. And now we can add in these little percentages, which are comparisons to any period of time that we would like to select. So in order to enable this, all you have to do is click Edit Dashboard, select the widget that you would like to edit by clicking the three dots and clicking Edit. And then you can scroll down on the widget settings to Advanced Settings. Again, this is on any of the widgets. And you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Comparison Date Range. We can add in a comparison to be the previous section of time. So for example, right now we are viewing a 244-day average. So this is going to be the previous 244 days. If our dashboard is showing the last 30 days, that'll say the last 30 days and things like that. So we've got that by default, and then we also have the year before. So we can click any of these. As you can see, if we click this and click save, then now we will see our contacts count comparison from the last 244 days. And then we can select the year before, click save, and we'll see the same thing with that percentage. So 1.69% versus the year before. And we can do this on any of our widgets. As you can see, we've got it on our opportunity value, we've got it on our conversion rate, our stage distribution, our funnel, and any of the widgets that we want to use. We can use this comparison date range for it. All we have to do is click save, X out of it, and then save our dashboard. Modifying your dashboards gives you a lot of functionality in any of your sub accounts to show the right data to the right people. And this is going to make it even easier for us to compare our statistics and data from now to any previous time periods. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.